Next up is a two-part piece, Gaudiamus Hodie, sung in Latin. The driving rhythms and exciting dynamic contrast will keep your interest up to the very last Hallelujah.
Can you hear them over the backtrack?
Yes.
Okay, we lost our sound system, and so we managed to plug things into different things. We don't have our choir mics working right now, and I want to make sure that they can hear, but I also want to make sure that you can hear. So thank you for that feedback. Sorry for the interruption. All right, Jason.